Oh, she's relaxing. She doesn't like me like she likes you guys.
I don't know about that.
She scares me. She pecks at my ears. I think it's because I have earrings, but I'm not.
She does stuff like that. What a bird do? It's like a cat.
Momo.
You gotta see
Well, no, let her be. Let her be. Let her be. Good bird. What are you guys working on?
She just got the massage of her life.
Here she comes.
Mo got the massage of her life.
What is she supposed to be? She's not supposed to be out. Look at her little wings. It always cracks me up.
Where you going, baby?
Chicken wing, hot dog and bologna.
Check it out, Mo. What do you think? What do you think? You can hang out in the living room when it's done.
She'll poop in there.
Come right in the house.
When it's done, no. Hey, Mo. Where you going, Momo? Who let you out? Who let you out, Mo?
Who let them Mo out?
Bye, Mo. She doesn't go home on her own, does she? She just wanders.
Let's go home, Mo.
She wanders. Mo.
Come on, Mo. Come on, Mo. No, Mo.
Mo found some deliciousness right there. Ryden's place. Looks amazing. Huh? Yeah. I like these windows. They get some nice afternoon sun, don't they? Very nice. This is really neat, Ryden. Daisy loves it. She loves it. What are those up there for?
Those are siding.
Ah, sighting. Very nice. Looks great. Oh, I see.
I might start weatherproofing it
Yeah.
today.
Putting Tyvek on?
Did they leave?
No, they put Mo back. Daisy, get your face out there. Come on. Let's go. She likes to take walks. Short walk. Okay, good girl. Let's go. Just a little walk for some stretching our legs. Ugh, there's a spider web in my face. Oh, here's where we poop. Pick that up. I heard something. Little animals running through. Never know what's going through these bushes. Have lots of little animals out here. Got lots of leaves changing color. There's still quite a bit of green on these maple leaves. Daisy, come on, let's go. And it's almost the end of September. This one's yellow. Very pretty out here, isn't it? There's a little bit more every time we come out here of leaves changing color. Daisy, should we go back? Let's go back. Good girl. Let's go. And it's all right. I have to trade this thing in, so I better not break it. Let's not break it. There's some pretty colors there. Little tiny maple trees. Baby maples. changing colors here. Lots on the ground already. Lots of brown leaves. Down there. Check it out. Daisy has her fall. Come here. Let me see your color. She's got her fall attire on. Looking really good over there. Daisy, I'm wrapped around. Okay. Let's go. What? No! Come on. Looked like you were eating off the ground. That's gross. Changing. I hear a neighbor's dog. I hear Taser barking. Did you guys let him out today?
Don't get on that ladder. That hurts. You on? 1, 2, 3. Okay. I might need to go up there and get the slides. Go for it. Okay, go over it. Lift it so you can get back on. Hold on. Ready? Go. Push it. There you go. Good call. Good call. Good call. Push it up. Get over your bolt. There you go. X marks the spot, baby. You got it? Oh, good job, homie. Oh, be sexy. Be really sexy. Ooh, yeah. We out here. We out here. Killing it out here. Effortless kitchen.